Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Shopify subscription. To start this tutorial, go ahead and open your mobile internet browser and go to myshopify.com. Tap the three lines on the left and go to Apps. Then, you will see options and settings on the apps available on your Shopify. Now, close it. This time, click on the three lines again. And then go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and go to Domains. Once you're in Domains, you also have the option to buy a new domain or connect to an existing domain. Now you can go back. Over at Settings, go to Plan. Tap on it. Wait for the website to load. Once you're here, you will see now your trial, or depending on your subscription you've done to Shopify. Now, you can also choose to deactivate your trial or choose a plan. But in this case, we can deactivate the trial. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.